Hello. My name is Tans and I'm a rider. Guys, Happy New Year. Compliments. And let me tell you, this is a sit down / while riding. So today we will be discussing just a few things about riding. So here's the thing. The audio is not so good because of the wind. I'm riding at a high speed and it's a straight route, so you will have to bear with me there. However, good to have you back, guys. For those that are new, welcome, and for those returning, thank you very much. It's much appreciated. Well, let's get into it. I hope you're well. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. On today's ride, I would like to highlight on the different riding reasons. I'm sure by now you know that we are all, as bikers, riding for different reasons. I think we just only have one common thing, which is peace of mind. However, we ride for different reasons and for a specific purpose. So I would like to talk about why I ride and the purpose of my channel and what I ride for. And I'm sure by now you guys might have an idea. As much as, let's say, I ride a super naked bike, but I love long distance rides. I love adventure. I love exploring. At the same time, I love curves and I love speed, but not that much, So that's me. So this is me trying to, niche down on what is it that I am writing for, or what is it that my channel is for. So I'll say this again. I love long distances. I love exploring. I love adventure. However, I'm not going to do that on a GS. I'm doing this on a S1000R BMW. So, did you know that different motorcycle riding styles primarily vary based on the type of motorcycle that is being ridden, with the main categories including cruiser style, sport riding, touring, dirt bike, and those dual sport riding bikes, and all with different posture when riding them, which are readily indicated by the seat height, the foot peg placement, including the handlebar position. So the experience that the rider adapts, it's more aggressive, adapts more aggressive styles depending on the skill level and personal preferences. So in my case, like I said, I love adventure and speed at the same time. But I won't necessarily actually act like I'm riding a super bike or act like I'm riding an adventure bike. Doesn't work like that. So the reason I stopped is because I'm taking content, guys. I just had to take pictures of my bike. Just had to do that for myself.
So, decided to actually stop. I'm riding to Blue. Thank you for the 500 likes. And it's the new year, first ride of 2025. Thank you, guys.